Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of stamping on my nails. So I am going to be showing you what I'm wearing. But I am going to go ahead and say here that apparently this was a limited edition set. It is no longer available currently. Um, Now I've seen some of them at one point were also sold individually, and I'm only seeing one at this time, and it is sold out. Unfortunately, I believe when I picked these up, they were a restock and, you know, maybe possibly at some point they'll come back. I really don't know, but I did want to go ahead and say that here before anybody gets excited and want them. That would be a bummer to me as well if I was watching and then found out at the end of the video that I couldn't even get them. So I'm going to go ahead and say that now. But it is a very, 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 very beautiful set. So here's hoping they'll come back. Okay, so it is Sizzling Shades Nail Lacquer, and the collection was called the Royals Collection. So before I do show you the colors, let me just show you what her current collection is. So this was the Royals, but currently she has the Refreshing Drink Collection. I also want to mention that she has this color available currently. Um, it is a charity going towards the flooding that has happened in Texas. Um, a lot of sad things, a lot of lives lost, a lot of families left heartbroken. So right here it says it is a deep blue polish with hollow flakes, red and silver reflective glitter, red hollow glitter, and a bright blue aura shimmer. And $5 from each polish will be donated to the Kerr County Flood Relief Fund. So shout out for that. So I decided to do like kind of the Skittle effect because I needed all the colors on my fingers. I couldn't decide on one. I don't want to stay on them too long since you can't currently get them, but I'll just kind of show you. So this one was Serpentine Seduction. That one is a very green one, as you can see, because I say that because they have some of them definitely have a color shift. If I tilt it this way, I can sort of see some teal in it, but majority of that is green, which is this one here. Okay, next is Excessive Beauty. This one has, you can see right there, some blue, so this one shifts like a teal blue. You turn it certain ways, you can also see a bit of gold. And that one is this one here. See, it looks blue right there. But in person, I can see a lot of purple. Then we have the Queen's Betrayal. And this one has like kind of a hint of green, gold, orangey, pink. It's a whole mixture. And that one is this one here. So it shifts to different tones. And then this one is Battle of Bannockburn. This one is It looks purple, but also a deep blue. Very interesting because I can see purple in person, but on camera it's definitely turning up blue, and that one is this one here. Then we have Heads Royal. This one kind of shifts into a blue and a green, bit of gold. And that one is this one here. And last is Alfred's Oath. And this one's like pink and orangey, gold, green. Has a tint of a magenta tone. And that's this one here. So they're all very beautiful. Show them like this so you can see them better. And then I'm going to show you, do the stamping portion. I'm not going to do much to them, but because they have a line, I want to basically put a stamp in the middle of my nails to kind of make that look a little better. So it is the Royals collection. Let's put on some royal crowns. So I thought this would be the perfect mani to do like one of these or both or whatever. So that's what I'm going to work with. This is Maniology plate M594. So originally I thought about using Heart of Gold, but I did that in my the Queen's Jewels mani, and because these have so much color and funsy to them, I decided don't do that. Then I thought, well, let me do a acorn, which is this one here. It's just a really dark, dark, dark brown. But then I was thinking, you know what? Why don't I do Maniology's Canterbury B524? I thought that'd be real pretty with it because although you can see it kind of a navy blue here, it turns out very dark, but a really pretty blue tone. Because I do also have Kraken, but it actually, on its swatch, turns out a little bit more blue than this one does on the swatch. But in the bottle, you would think it would be darker. So it's very interesting. So that's what we're going to use today. So I think I'll just end up alternating between them. And I thought this would help to still let the colors come through. I have to get these extras off. I do apologize. I don't want those on there. Let me turn it, make this easier. Okay, well, would you believe I've actually changed my mind? I don't like the way it's showing up. I am going to go to Heart of Gold B187. I was kind of looking at pewter, but I don't think I like that either with this. I mean, it's pretty, but I actually think I like Heart of Gold better. So, I'm going to go back. I'm going to do this one, do my thumbnail, and then I'll come back and stamp over the one I've already done in a minute. It's okay. Sometimes you don't really know until you really, really look. And you could play around with all kinds of different colors, but I do like that one better because this one's just, you can't even really see that. So let's see, I did this one. I'm just going to stamp over it. It'll be okay. Yeah, definitely shows up better. Now I do like them just like this, but just to cover up the line, I thought I'd just go ahead and do this. Okay, so I will finish and be back. Actually, before I do that, we'll do like this. So yeah, either or would be fine. I may actually like it without better. Okay, actually, now that I got them all done, I'm not mad about it. And I did go ahead and add my Maniology smudge-free top coat, B382, and I'm gonna give that time to dry enough. And then I'm just gonna go in with this one. It's a one I've had for a bit, so hopefully it's still okay. It's a Lawn Perfect Plumping Gel Effect top coat. And it's not actually a gel, it's just it's supposed to look like it. Does it really plump? I don't know about that. So when I have finished that, I'll be back. So it's basically just more thick. Actually, I need to mention too, this is not sponsored. This is not PR. I purchased these myself with my own money. And actually, when I had to go do something, it actually made the colors do like, I don't know, I can't even explain it. They're already so pretty, but now I can kind of tell a difference between them instead of them blending. It kind of gave that separation. So I really like them. Also, there's so many brands that will have something, possibly similar to the color shifting or just the colors, even if they don't have a shift. I know many brands do things like that. So, if you have any recommendations to something similar, please let our friends know down below. I'd appreciate that. Now, if it comes back, this collection, like I said, I bought these myself. These are, I mean, now I have to do like wear them, see how long they last. But for the colors themselves, I'm glad I purchased them. I would have definitely told myself, yes, get them. So hopefully they will come back. It's like a magical rainbow. So thank you so very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I will list the Maniology products I used in the description box. And until the next one, have a blessed day, friends. Bye.